LEGO Ideas Medieval Blacksmith 21325 Building Kit. Impressive build and display model for adults. New 2021, 2,164 pieces. Capture the architectural details of a medieval blacksmith's workplace and home when you take time out from modern life to build this evocative LEGO Ideas display model, 21325. Blacksmith's LED lighting kit for Star Wars Darth Vader's castle compatible with LEGO 75251 building blocks model not include the LEGO set. Designed for LEGO 75251, with this light kit, you can bring your Star Wars Darth Vader's castle from dark to bright, make it come to life. Please note that only LED light set. All LEGO sets showed in images and videos are not included. LEGO Star Wars Dark Trooper Attack 75324 building. LEGO Star Wars, The Clone Wars Duel on Mandalore 75310 awesome toy building kit featuring Ahsoka Tano and Darth Maul, new 2021, 147 pieces. Includes 4 minifigures, a blacksmith, archer and 2 black falcon knights with 4 swords, 3 shields and a halberd, plus a posable horse figure with a buildable cart and dog and tree frog figures. This 3-level building has a removable roof and the top 2 levels lift off for easy access to the fully furnished bedroom, kitchen and workshop. The garden